welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Are you tired of feeling foggy and unfocused? Do you struggle to concentrate throughout the day? Have you considered natural remedies to help improve your cognitive function? Look no further, because in this video, we will explore some of the best natural ways to reduce brain fog and improve your overall brain health. If you often find yourself struggling to focus, feeling forgetful, or experience brain fog, it can be frustrating and impact your daily life. Fortunately, there are natural remedies that can help improve cognitive function and reduce brain fog. In this video, we will explore the top 20 most effective ways to improve brain function naturally, from incorporating certain foods and supplements into your diet to practicing mindfulness and exercise. Number 1. Exercise. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining optimal brain health and preventing brain fog. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which can help to improve cognitive function and reduce brain fog. Additionally, exercise releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress, both of which can contribute to brain fog. When it comes to exercise, it's important to find something that you enjoy and can stick to over the long term. Whether it's jogging, swimming, yoga, or dancing, the key is to move your body regularly and consistently. Number 2. Sleep. Getting enough high-quality sleep is essential for brain function. When we sleep, our brains consolidate memories, process emotions, and recharge for the day ahead. Lack of sleep can cause a range of cognitive problems, including brain fog, forgetfulness, and difficulty concentrating. Number 3. Meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for reducing stress, improving focus, and enhancing cognitive function. There are many different types of meditation, from mindfulness meditation to transcendental meditation, so it's important to find a practice that works for you. Some studies have shown that regular meditation can increase gray matter in the brain, which is associated with better cognitive function. To start meditating, find a quiet place to sit or lie down, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Number 4. Yoga. Yoga is a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Like meditation, yoga has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance cognitive function. Additionally, yoga can improve flexibility, balance, and strength. Number 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is a herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Recent studies have shown that rosemary can improve cognitive function and reduce brain fog. It contains compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can protect the brain from damage and improve memory. Rosemary can be consumed in various forms, such as in tea or as a seasoning in food. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage that has many health benefits, including improving brain function and reducing brain fog. It contains antioxidants called catechins, which can protect the brain from damage and improve cognitive function. Additionally, green tea contains caffeine, which can increase alertness and improve focus. Drinking green tea regularly can also reduce the risk of developing cognitive disorders, such as dementia. Number 7. Chamomile. Chamomile is a herb that has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. It is known for its calming effects and ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Chamomile can also improve sleep quality, which is important for brain health and reducing brain fog. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can help you get a good night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and alert. Number 8. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family and has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. It contains compounds that have anti-anxiety and antidepressant effects, which can improve mood and cognitive function. Lemon balm has also been shown to reduce stress and improve sleep quality, making it a great natural cure for brain fog. It can be consumed in various forms, such as in tea or as a supplement. Number 9. Magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral that is essential for many bodily functions, including brain function. It is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. Low levels of magnesium have been linked to cognitive impairments and brain fog. Eating magnesium-rich foods such as spinach, almonds, and avocado can help to improve brain function and reduce brain fog. Number 10. Take breaks. Taking breaks throughout the day can help reduce stress and improve focus, which can reduce brain fog. Even just a few minutes of relaxation or stretching can help improve mental clarity. Number 11. Limit screen time. Spending too much time in front of screens can contribute to eye strain and fatigue, which can contribute to brain fog. Limiting your screen time, taking regular breaks, and practicing good ergonomics can all help to reduce these symptoms. Number 12. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods can be high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and other additives that can contribute to brain fog. Eating a diet that is high in whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and lean protein can help improve brain function and reduce brain fog. Number 13. Eat a healthy diet. In addition to avoiding processed foods, eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of nutrients such as vitamins and minerals can help keep your brain healthy and reduce brain fog. Number 14. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol can impair cognitive function and contribute to brain fog, so it's best to avoid it or consume it in moderation. Get outside. Spending time in nature can help reduce stress and improve cognitive function, which can reduce brain fog. Even just a short walk in the park or green space can be beneficial. Number 15. Take deep breaths. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and improve cognitive function, which can reduce brain fog. Practicing deep breathing for a few minutes each day can help promote relaxation and mental clarity. Number 16. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment and can help reduce stress and improve cognitive function, which can reduce brain fog. Incorporating mindfulness practices such as meditation or yoga into your daily routine can be helpful. Number 17. Seek professional help. If you're experiencing persistent brain fog, it may be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Seeking professional help from a doctor or mental health provider can help you identify and address the root cause of your brain fog. Number 18. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for proper brain function and can help reduce brain fog. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and practicing good sleep hygiene can help improve sleep quality and reduce brain fog. Number 19. Reduce caffeine intake. Limiting your caffeine intake and being mindful of how it affects your body can help reduce this brain fog. Incorporating natural remedies into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your cognitive function and overall brain health. Whether it's staying hydrated, getting enough omega-3 fatty acids, or engaging in brain exercises, there are plenty of options to choose from. By implementing these natural remedies, you may find that you're better able to focus, remember details, and feel more alert throughout the day. So why not give them a try and see the positive impact they can have on your life? In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe icons. And with that said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.